Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you how Attendance Keeper simplifies employee leave management from request to approval. When you log in as a manager, you'll see the dedicated leaves section with different views: active leaves, remaining leaves, and leave types. This main screen displays all leave requests with essential details like employee info, dates, and status. Notice the color coding: yellow for pending and green for approved requests. Submitting a request is simple. Click Apply for Leave, select the type, choose dates, and enter a reason. The system provides helpful descriptions for each leave category. As a manager, pending requests are highlighted in yellow for easy identification. Approving is just one click, and the status updates to green. The system maintains a complete history for reporting. That's how Attendance Keeper streamlines leave management, saving time, reducing paperwork, and maintaining accurate records. Questions? Reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.